Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes. In previous session, we saw metallic as well as commodity money in detail. So, let us begin our today's session by seeing some more recent forms of money in detail. Okay kids, let's have a look on that. Paper money. It was found inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of paper money marked a very important stage in the development of money. See, the main aim of invented this money made inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. Therefore, the invention of paper money played a vital role and important stage in the development of money. The development of paper money started on the basis of storage of gold, and the receipts were issued by the goldsmith for these storages. These receipts of goldsmith were a substitute for money and became paper money. See, these paper money mainly designed for the development of storage of gold, and the receipts were issued by the goldsmith for these storages, and these receipts of goldsmith were a substitute for money and become a paper money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by Central Bank of the country, Reserve Bank of India. At present, a very large part of money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the central bank. See, this paper money is regulated and it can be controlled by Central Bank of the country, that is Reserve Bank of India. And now at present, currency notes occupied very large part of paper money, or else these paper money it can be issued by the central bank. Where it can be issued? It can be issued by the central bank. Yes. Credit money or bank money. Emergence of credit money took place almost side by side with that of paper money. Existence of these credit money took place almost side by side with that of paper money. Yes. People keep a part of their cash as deposit with banks, which they can withdraw at their convenience through checks. The check known as credit money or bank money itself is not money, but it performs the same as the functions of money. In this, people keep their cash as deposit with banks. It can be withdrawn at their convenience through checks whenever they need it. Yes, the check which means credit or bank money, but it does not mean money. But it can perform the same functions of money. Yes. Near money. The final stage in the evolution of money has been the use of bills of exchange, treasury bills, bonds, debentures, saving certificate, etc. In this near money, we can exchange bills, treasury bills, bond, debentures, saving certificate, etc. That is what simply they called as near money. Now just have a look at this recent forms of money. First one is plastic money. The latest type of money is plastic money in the form of credit card and debit card. They aim for cashless transaction. Yes, it is the latest formation of money of credit and debit cards. Main aim of this formation of money is cashless transaction. Yes, without cash they are doing the transaction. Yes. Next one is e-money. Electronic money is money which exists in banking computer system and is available for transactions through electronic system. Electronic money, shortly known as e-money. Yes, this type of electronic money which can be highly used in banking. Where it can be used? Yes, it highly used in banking and it is available for transaction through electronic system. Yes, in this type, the transaction which is made through electronic system. That is why it is called electronic money. Yes. Next one is online banking, net banking. Online banking, also known as internet banking, is an electronic payment system that enables customers of a bank or other financial institutions to conduct a range of financial transactions through website. See, this banking system is also known as internet banking, and this system enables the customer to pay the cash through an electronic payment, and these can be mainly used in financial institution transaction through their websites, particular websites they are having. In that, the transaction will be done. Yes, this type of system is called online banking, or else we can call it as net banking. Last one, e-banking. Electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Funds Transfer, NEFT, is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. Electronic banking, shortly known as e-banking here, and also it is known by National Electronic Fund Transfer, shortly known as NEFT, that is NEFT. Yes, through this, funds can be transferred directly from one account to another rather than used by check or cash. That is called e-banking. Yes. Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Yes, here I have attached our homework part. Try to do your homework on time. Okay kids, thank you.